All right, boys and girls, here we are, day 10 of January Daily Math. Number 1 says, circle the odd numbers. The odd numbers would be ones ending, or in the ones column, with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. So this ends in a 7, so that's an odd number. 8 is even, 3 is odd, and 5 is odd. The 0 in 10 makes that even. That's a 5 and 5 make 10, right? So that has to be an even number. Marissa wants 75 rewards. She has 36. How many more does she need? So she wants 75. Okay. She has 36. So if you take away what she has to how many she wants, it'll be how many more she needs, right? So 5 minus 6, there's more on the floor, so we got to borrow from next door. 15 minus 6 is 9. And 6 minus 3 is 3. So she will need 39 more rewards. Number 3, penguin. Add the numbers on these tiles. What is the sum? So we can go 3. I'm going to use the count on strategy. So I'm going to go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if I add these all up, I get a sum of 10. So that's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, and then a 3 and a 2. Lily's just licking her toy over and over and over. She just keeps licking. She's so happy she got her toy. It's got it in her paws like that, so she's like, oh, that dog. Count back by 5s. So we're going to start at 125, 120. Again, these are the dots on the number line, right? So then we have 115, 110, 105, 100, 95, 90, 85, 80. All right. If you notice, every one of these ends in either a 5 or a 0, right? It's like a pattern going back and forth. It's 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0. What time is on this clock? So first, let's get the hour hand. Here's our hour hand. So it's between 4 and 5. So it's going to be 4 something, okay? Now this hand reaches all the way out and touches the 6. So that's 30 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Again, I love the way these daily maths go together. You know, you just count by 5s right here, and here's counting by 5s again. So great job with that. Hope you did well, and we will see you tomorrow for day 11.